Introducing multi-user notification for NXX manufacturing. In today's dynamic manufacturing environment, a design and manufacturing team need to work in perfect harmony, especially when last-minute design changes arise. Through multi-user notification, a synchronized workflow for changes not only eliminates expensive rework, but ensures your manufacturing excellence stays uncompromised. Multi-user notification can be enabled through the NXX manufacturing value-based licensing, or more commonly known as the manufacturing tokens. The service leverages the new built-in data management offered in NXX Manufacturing. To activate, we'll go ahead and go to our customer defaults under Gateway Collaboration Notifications. Here, we can toggle on or off the multi-user notification service. Let's take a closer look at our manufacturing process. Here we have two unique users. On the left-hand side, we have the design engineer, and on the right-hand side, we have the NC programmer. The design engineer will now need to move a hole in the cast and then save their part. Once saved, the NC programmer will receive an instantaneous notification leveraging built-in data management. This multi-user notification service allows NC programmers to stay up to date on the most recent changes that are referenced in the CAM setup. In the notification center, we can see who the owner of the change was, highlight the updated part, and then implement that updated part into our CAM setup. It's important to note that after the update, the NC program goes out of date. As an NC programmer, it's our responsibility to re-verify the NC program and make the appropriate changes. Multi-user notification introduces the ability to receive instant notifications upon design changes, which in return saves programming time by having the CAM setup up to date constantly, with the ability to track the design changes.